on the base of protocol, I greet you all. I come here today not with a hat of MCA, that's happening.
But in that support, let us be loyal patriots and not sycophants. When things are not going right in government, we must call them out. We have challenges in the education sector. We must speak about them. We have challenges in the health sector. We must speak about them.
At a period when there is nothing to compete for, at a period when you should pray that your people work together so that you have a nation. Those people are not Democrats in behavior. Those people do not love this nation and do not believe in anything. So I want to appreciate the Homa Bay team for understanding that there is time for everything. After every election, all leaders must work together with full effort and spirit to bring the people together so that the people reap the benefits of the offices to which they installed leaders.